Maoists have claimed responsibility for the deadly attack which killed 27 people, including Mahendra Karma and Nand Kumar Patel. Now, they claimed responsibility in a letter that was sent to media organizations just a short while ago. Karma and Patel were killed when a heavily armed Maoist ambushed a convoy of Congress leaders in Chhattisgarh's Bastar district on Saturday. They killed 27 people, including 11 Congress leaders, and injured 32 other people. Joining us on the phone line with details of this letter that's been received by several media organizations is Aditya Raj Kaul. Aditya, take us through the details. We believe that it specifically talks about the fact that Karma as well as Patel were on their hit list. In fact, there had earlier been several attempts on Karma's life.
That's right. We have received this letter from the CPI Maoists. The letter contents are very explosive. This is the first time that the CPI Maoists has actually accepted responsibility for this major attack in the Jagdalpur area of the Bastar district. What we are coming to know is that from the Dandakaranya Special Zone Committee, Gudsa Upade, the main spokesperson of the CPI Maoists, has released this 4-page letter which has been written in Hindi. The letter goes on to say that the main target of the Maoists was Nand Kumar Patel and Mahendra Karma. The letter says that Mahendra Karma was a target of the Maoists for a very long time, but he escaped unhurt all these times. But this time they managed to kill him, and very strong words being used in the letter, which I cannot mention here. But at the same time, the letter goes on to say, give a detailed history of the conflict between Mahendra Karma, the Salwa Judum, and the Naxals. If a layman would read this letter, it really gives a very philosophical and a historical context to the battle of the tribals in the area. It goes on to say that both the Congress and the BJP have been working against the rights of the poor and the tribals in the region, and it was only the CPI Maoists of this area which have been working for the rights of the tribals. So a very explosive letter for the first time, this letter being released to the media organizations, the Maoists claiming responsibility, and even this comes at a day on the day when the National Investigative Team, NIA, will be reaching on the spot. They will be investigating the case further, and they would be obviously considering this letter, that how this letter was actually released to the media.